Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another Jamaican Patois lesson for beginners. As usual, you know we don't want to draw it out, but you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. So as promised from the last video, it wasn't last week because I skipped a week. From the last video, I promised that I would use 7 more English words that mean something totally different in Patois. So that's what we're doing today. So let's jump straight into it. So the first word is going to be Ben, and usually in English it may be shortened for Benjamin or something like that, you know, a person's name. But in the Jamaican Patois, Ben means upset. It just means that you're very upset about a situation. So Ben meaning a person's name, or Ben meaning you're very upset in Jamaican Patois. So isn't that just totally different? The next English word is going to be bun, and around the world, including Jamaica, it can mean a pastry. But also in Jamaica, it just means to cheat on someone. Yes, bun means to cheat on someone, to step out of your relationship. Whether you're a man, you're stepping out with a woman or another man, or you're a woman stepping out with a man or another woman. You're cheating, you're giving your partner bun. Next word is wine, and Jamaicans may spell it W-I-N-E or W-H-I-N-E, and it just means an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes. But in the Jamaican culture, wine means the way you move your derriere, the way you shake your ass, the way you move your waist, the way you can go around in circle and go down and all that. That's what wine means. So it just means the way a person moves their body. If you can whine, you know, Jamaicans usually say, "Me can whine," or "Me can't whine," and whine by Jamaican just mean basically just going around in circles smoothly, and you can tick-tock and all that. Basically it's a form of dancing, whining. So it means something totally different from an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes. The fourth English word is salt, and it just means flavor of the ocean, or it's just a taste, you know, something to do with food. Salt, salty. In Jamaican Patois, it just means bad lucky. Boy, me salt, you see, a be a saltness a follow me. It just means you're bad lucky, a person is unfortunate. That's what it means in the Jamaican Patois. So something totally different from it meaning, you know, taste in English. Yeah. The fifth English word is par, P-A-R. In English it means equivalent, equal to, same level. In Patois, it means spending time with someone. It could be a friend, mainly a friend. But parring means to spend time with someone. Me and them a par, me and that person a par, me and the entertainer a par, me and my mother a par. This means spending time with someone. Totally different from the English meaning of being equal or equivalent. Just spending time with someone. Me and them a par. I'm a parring partner, that you know. Me and them spending time. The sixth English word is rate. And rate just means like a benchmark, one thing against the other, or basically just a measurement. Rate, a measurement. But in Jamaican Patois, it just means respect. You know, me rate you as my girl, me rate you as my friend. You have high regards to that person. You respect that person. You admire that person. So to respect or to admire a person in Jamaican Patois is to rate them. Not the regular English meaning, but just to respect and admire a person. The seventh and final word in today's Patois lesson is link. And link in English means a beneficial connection or a chain. You know, a chain has a link. A chain is linked together. Beneficial connection. But in Patois, link, it just means me I make a par with my friend. Me I hang out with my friend. Me I call my friend. You just make some connection with your friend. That's what link in English means. So to par, to make a connection, to hang out, all of that is link in the Jamaican Patois. I hope that makes sense. So that was the final word of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah.